I'm already going. I just started a video.
I'll do it when they start counting.
Alright, people. I managed to make room on my phone for...
Hi, YouTube!
Who wants to dox this guy?
Turn signal's on still.
What?
Turn signal's on still.
Oh, yeah!
Stay inside the orange cone area.
For those of you who are blind and cannot see, there, blinkers.
All right, with the countdown, everyone, let's find out who's the last car able to move and make contact. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6. My phone is out of time. Ha! I'm 20 seconds ahead of you, brother. No, 38. I know, right? Sun blue. Oh my God. Damn. Bro, the guy's blinker's loose.
No! You blinkers get far.
No.
with 2 good hits. Keep them in bounds. Keep them in bounds. 87 now with good contact. 14, get it inside. 55, 26, 19.
Someone's sparking. 66, that's one sparking. Can people like not go through my camera? Insignificant. Going out of bounds. Imagine that Confederate car ones. Nah, I doubt it. Oh, I heard something crunch. Oh, someone's about to blow. What was it? 19 still has brake lights.
Wait, no, 38 dead. It's like beam me GAI.
What?
It's like beam me GAI.
Yeah, pretty much. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
What's that?
Wait a minute, 28's hiding. Oh, 28's still alive. He's just hiding. Look at that. 28's fucking. He's hiding. He's trying to hide. Unless he really is out.
Might not have been.
put popcorn in the clutch.
Clutch smells so good, bro.
Damn!
I missed it.
Looking for that last one, even the movie.
It's still going.
Yo!
He's still going. Look at that man. That man's a legend.
88 though.
49 does make contact.
That does not. That revving does not sound good. That revving does not sound good, Evan.
I know, right?
Sounds dry. He's gonna blow his car up.
Unless he's trying to.
Yo, damage the wheel. Might actually win.
Lift it back to 88, bro. It looks like a Honda Super Catch.
What?
88 looks like a Honda Super Catch.
Oh yeah.
14 Watch the driver's door. Watch the driver's door. I know they got bars.
Yo, 88's actually winning. Drop. Oh, drop. Bro, why is he going overkill on 14? I think they're down.
Looks like 2 cars right now.
Oh, shoot. I just barked.
Actually, I think 48 might win.
Oh, it's done. It's done. Every
Down
time.
to 2, 48 and 88.
Every side. On the car I was driving now.
Ole, 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 ole. Smart move, smart move. Oh no, he might be down.
No, he's still moving. How's this kid still moving, bro?
His rear stuck. Yeah!
This is too funny, bro. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I think they're cooked. No. Oh!
Going at it. Who will be the last one? Even the move. And big contact. 48. Salem Khan.
Oh, come on.
Now they both look like Honda Super Catchbacks.
Sonny Romano from Norfolk.
Oh, yeah, I got you.
88 right now. With last contact. Spread about drivers.
We
Spread
have to head
about.
up soon, by the way.
What?
We have to head up soon. My mom told us
Both moving.
Alright.
Where's that?
48 into 88. 88 driven by Sonny.
Oh! Watch this, watch this.
Yes!
And Salem Khan in 48.
Oh, the smoke's finally clearing.
I would hate to be in that car right there.
88's cooked, bro. He's gonna die.
Still going, bro.
Both moving, both making contact still.
How's this stuff going, bro?
Who breaks the wheel first? That's the thing.
Probably 88.
Who's gonna break their wheel?
88's really exposed, bro.
Sonny
And his wheels are already failing.
And his car's going in every which way direction. 48
If he still wins, that'd be actually cool.
from North Haven. 88 trying to cut him off a little bit. 88's car is not functioning properly. It won't even steer. As he goes down to the other end, trying to line it up. Look at it. Every time he goes backwards, it's going to the side. Come on, 48, get it down there. 88 could be in trouble. 48 coming down. Oh, look at that, 88. He's able to turn a little
Why do
bit.
people have to walk in front of the camera, bro?
Last contact. Now again, backing up, he's having a problem, but going forward, he's fine.
Yo! Yeah! Yo, he's actually gonna win.
Fight to the death.
Whoa! Oh, his wheel!
Continue to pound. Once again.
His wheel popped off.
Still going, bro.
He's trying to win this so bad.
88 again, the last contact.
He's still going.
He's helping him out,
48 is
practically.
able to move forward, but unable to move back right now.
I think he can't move
He's
back.
practically
He's
helping
lost
him out.
reverse completely.
He's practically helping him out.
Come on, 88, backing up. There you go.
Oh!
Both cars still moving. 48 on his way
Oh,
back.
he has momentum.
Oh my god!
These dudes still going, bro.
88 right now making contact.
Why do people have to get in front of the goddamn camera, bro?
Down to three wheels. 88 pounding in.
I think 88 lost his entire right wheel. Like, I think it completely snapped off.
Still making contact. Both cars. Trying some maneuver around the other way to come in for There goes his
How they still going?
88 right now again with last contact. Now both of them moving, both hitting.
88's actually doing good
I
though.
want to watch this so badly, though. That's the thing.
Alright, we got.
Come on, I can't leave- I can't leave-
We got at least walk
Much
half.
water left in.
I can't leave the viewers on a cliffhanger, bro.
That's where it's going.
Might like 13 minutes.
Oh my gosh, this is the death kill, I think.
Oh my God!
Trying to get that front end.
Hey, we got.
Both again still moving. 88
Come on, I can't leave the viewers on a cliffhanger. Come on, someone finish it, please.
back him up if you can, back him up.
Put them on a storage probably. No, I'm at 14 minutes right now.
Are they both stuck?
Actions,
Might be.
little movement over there.
Yeah, so it's
Again, trying to move
My
him
everything
backwards if
hurts.
you can.
it hurts so bad, but it's worth it for the viewers, bro. For the viewers.
We can't stop. We have to
Is
go,
it starting
but
to
we
rain?
just want to stay.
For
I just felt the rain drop.
For the viewers.
Unless I was just spit. Felt the rain drop unless I was just spit.
Probably spit.
Probably.
Spitting at me all day, bro.
Ah, your winner will be 88. Jason.
Yo!
Demolition Derby again.
We gotta go. Come on.
Yeah. 88 won. He's the Confederate guy.